Now let's proceed to our next topic, that is circulatory system. Now students, what is a circulatory system? We can see that the organ system that helps in circulation of blood in the body is called a circulatory system. Now what does a circulatory system consist of? It consists of heart, blood vessels and blood. Now blood vessels, there are two types of blood vessels, arteries and veins. The red color, this red color structure that you find, these blood vessels are called as arteries, and the blue color vessels you can see, these are your veins. Now what is the difference between the two? You can say the blood vessel that carries oxygenated blood from your heart to different parts of the body are called arteries, and the blood vessels that carry impure blood from all parts of the body to the heart are known as veins. Now, when we talk about the heart, it is the most important organ in the circulatory system. It is located in the chest a little to the left. And what is its function? Its function is to pump blood to all parts of your body. Now how circulatory system works? Now your heart, it consists of oxygenated blood which is called pure blood. Now the arteries, these are the blood vessels that carry the pure blood, that is oxygenated blood, from heart to different parts of your body. And the blue color vessels you can see, these are your veins, and these are responsible for carrying impure blood from all parts of the body to the heart. Now when heart pumps pure blood, it is carried into different parts of the body through arteries. Now what happens, that veins carry blood that is rich in carbon dioxide and needed to be purified back to the heart. And from the heart, your impure blood is taken into the lungs for purification. Now in the lungs, what happens? Carbon dioxide is given out and fresh oxygen is absorbed by the blood. Again it returns to the heart, ready to be pumped all around the body. So in this way, the blood keeps on flowing in our body from heart to different parts of the body and from different parts of the body to the lungs. So I'm going to repeat it again. What happens? Let's revise again the circulatory system. Your oxygenated or pure blood is carried by heart to different parts of the body through blood vessels that are known as arteries, and the impure blood, or you can say deoxygenated blood, the blood that is rich in carbon dioxide, is carried from the body to the heart through blood vessels that are called veins. Now your heart pumps the impure blood, that is blood rich in carbon dioxide, to your lungs. And what happens in lungs? As you know, during the process of respiration, fresh air, that is oxygen, is inhaled. So that oxygen gets mixed with the blood, that is your impure blood, and carbon dioxide is released at that time, and it is expelled out of the body when we exhale. Exhalation process when takes place, that is giving out of carbon dioxide. So in this way, again your blood that was earlier deoxygenated is made pure by mixing up with the oxygen, and again the heart pumps the oxygenated blood to different parts of the body. So in this way the cycle keeps on going. So children, I hope you people have understood about what is respiration and what is digestion, what is excretion, and what is circulation. So then also, if you have any problem, please clear your doubts by calling me on my personal number. Thank you.